Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and adding the card you'll use to send money. This establishes a funding source and security link to your Apple ID. Once done, verify the card with the bank code or SMS prompt so transactions aren't declined. Make sure you enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick authorization, and check daily transfer limits and bank holds so you know how much you can send without delays. You open Messages, select the contact or group, and tap the Apple Pay icon to begin. This embeds the payment in the chat for context and record keeping. Next, enter the exact amount, pick your funding card, and optionally add a memo so the recipient knows what it's for. Then authorize with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Authorization both authenticates you and triggers the bank transfer so the recipient gets the funds. You finish by confirming the transaction status in Messages and Wallet. A completed status means funds were sent and a record was created. If the payment is pending or failed, make sure your card verification succeeded, your bank account isn't frozen, and you have a stable internet connection. If problems persist, contact Apple support or your bank with the transaction ID. Keep a screenshot and mention any error codes so they can resolve holds or reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.